Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last week and how the price of gold can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen, gold now trading at a level of $28.68, as you can see looking at this particular chart. Chances can be high that if the price keeps sustaining above this level, it can cross a level of 28.76 also, which is an all-time high. Okay, and then if the price keep moving, we can see it can go further upside. So you can trail your SL by $5 or $7, so you can capture a big movement towards an upside. Okay, now looking at this particular chart from 4-5 weeks, there is a 6 weeks, there is a continuous upside. Okay, if you look at this particular trend, there is a doji candle form, a swing has formed, that is where it is going upside. And I have clearly explained you that whenever it is moving out of a zone, okay, and this is the clear pattern forming that it was trying to go higher. Okay, I have clearly told you at a level of 26.43 that the price can make a further move upside. Okay, if you look at this particular trend, chances are high that there can be a chances that if the price keep moving on this level, further upside we can see. So you can trail your SL, but if the price started falling below a level of 27.91, we can see a bounce back can come from this level. But if it started falling below this level, we can see it will come down towards a level of 27.64, and from there a level of around 27.52 also. And if that didn't sustain, a further downfall we can see. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. See, these are the smaller pattern. U pattern has formed. After that, what we have seen, whenever it is making a new high, we have seen a good fall comes. Okay, and this good fall, you can see the price has not decided where it will start falling. So we can see that whenever it's make a new high and a swing form, that is where we can see a further fall. So you can trail your SL towards downside also, your profit will also be saved. Now coming back on the dollar index, see, if you look at the dollar index, I've clearly explained you that the dollar index, after making above a level of 102, I've told you that it can move further upside. Okay, it is continuously on a higher side, so if the price started going above this particular level, it can move towards a level of 108, and from there a level of 108.5. Index started going upside. I've clearly explained that once the price started going above a level of 107.5, chance of touching 108.5 will be there, then to a level of 109. Okay, and then a probability of crossing a level of 110 also there. So it has made a half around 110.2, and then from there it came down. Okay, so similar patterns we can see. If the price sustain this level, we can see a level of 108.2 to a level of 108.5, and then it will touch a level of 109, and from there a level of 109.5, and then we can see 110, and then further upside. But if that didn't sustain, if it started falling below this level, to move below a level of 107.2, from there a level of around 106.3, and to a level of 106.1. Once the price started falling below this level, a further downfall we can see towards $104.8, and then further low. So if the dollar index started going down, we will see the price of gold will go up. Similarly, the dollar index started going upside, we will see the gold price will come down. Okay, on the gold price, I have clearly explained that there is a continuous upside. So you have to understand, you have to trail your SL by $5 or $7, so you can capture a big movement towards an upside. So chances are high it can touch a level of $28.76. After that, it can cross a level of $28.80. Okay, and if that sustain, we can see a level of $28.90 to a level of $29.00. So you trail your SL by $5, so you can capture a big movement towards an upside. And once it started going above this level, we can see a level of $29.20 to a level of $29.50 also. So trail your SL as for the volatility, because market is uncertain. So if the volatility is less, try to trail it with $5. If the volatility is higher, try to do it with $7 to $10 by reducing your quantity to half. Okay, and target and risk will be twice. Okay, now suppose if the price didn't sustain, what we can see, suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, then the next support we can see coming at a level of 28.17 and a weekly chart. You have to understand weekly chart is different and device chart is different, so resistance and supports will be different as for that. So if the price started falling below a level of 28.17, a probability that the next support coming at a level of 27.90. Okay, and if the price started falling below 27.90, chance of touching 27.83 will be there. And then if the price started going below this level, we can see a level of $27.70. Okay, and if the price started falling below that particular level, chance of touching a level of 27.59. Okay, and if that didn't sustain, a further downfall we can see towards a level of $27.48. Okay, and once the price started falling below 27.43, a probability of going towards 27.29 will be there, and if that didn't sustain, a further downfall we can see towards $27.25. Okay, and if the price started falling below 27.25, chances are high that the next support we can see coming at a level of 2700. Okay, and once the price started falling below 2700, probability of going towards 2690 will be there, and then a further fall we can see towards a level of 2670, and then a further downfall. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me or go in the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please go a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe. Thank you.